Today, we're checking in on Lil Tjay, one of the standout voices of melodic rap who rose from the Bronx to global recognition with hits and chart-topping collaborations. Known for his emotional storytelling and smooth delivery, his journey has included both massive success and life-threatening challenges. So now, many fans are asking, where is Lil Tjay now? Let's find out. Lil Tjay first broke into the spotlight with tracks like Brothers and later cemented his place in the industry with major releases and collaborations. His career, however, took a dramatic turn in 2022 when he survived a near-fatal shooting during an attempted robbery. After undergoing emergency surgery and a difficult recovery, he made a determined return to music. In the years since, he has continued rebuilding his momentum. By 2026, Lil Tjay remains active in the music scene, working on new material and preparing for upcoming releases. He has been dropping singles, performing internationally, and maintaining a strong presence among fans. Despite occasional controversies and reports of disputes, his focus appears to remain on his career and growth as an artist. So, where is Lil Tjay now? As of now, Lil Tjay is alive and actively pursuing his music career, creating new projects and performing for audiences around the world. However, in April 2026, his name resurfaced in connection with a developing and controversial incident involving fellow rapper Offset. Offset was shot outside a casino in Florida and hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries. While authorities confirmed the shooting and detained suspects, the situation quickly became complicated as rumors spread online suggesting Lil Tjay may have been involved. Videos circulating on social media appeared to show a heated altercation before the shooting, fueling speculation. Overnight, Lil Tjay's lawyer, Dawn Florio, stated he was not involved in or charged with the crime. We are issuing this release in regards to false rumors that Lil Tjay was involved in a shooting which occurred at the Valet area of the Seminole Hard Rock Hollywood, which resulted in non-life-threatening injuries to Offset. Formerly a member of Migos, Florio posted on Instagram, "Scooped by Complex." Lil Tjay has not been shot, nor has Lil Tjay been charged with any shooting. Any reporting to the contrary is false. We encourage people to consult trusted news sources and to verify the accuracy of any reporting before reflexively sharing or repeating baseless rumors. From surviving a life-threatening moment to continuing his rise in the industry, his story reflects resilience and determination in the face of adversity. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories about your favorite artists and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and let me know who you want next.